What up, guys? I'm gonna make a quick video and help explain and show the tips and tricks I use to help get my injectors out. I hope this helps. First things first, you're gonna wanna, after taking your intake manifold out, is get everything clean. Also, you wanna tape off your injector ports where the intake manifold attached to the top of the motor. Then you're gonna disconnect. This is an injector right here. There's two nipples on each side of each injector, and you have injector return hose. You really want to replace this. I'm gonna replace this also, but you pull this off. All you need is a pair of pliers at most to pull that off. Then what I did was, on the hard lines, you're gonna need a 9/16 wrench, and you're gonna loosen this on each one of these, and carefully just bend the hard line out enough where you can get clearance to work. Don't go crazy. You don't want to damage these lines. They're very expensive. Then after that, I took my pair of vice grips and I taped up the edge really well to get rid of the hard edges. Then I put that over on top of my injector and carefully squeeze these two nipples, because if you look on these nipples, they're flared out a little bit, and that makes it very hard to get a socket over it. So you squeeze them just a little bit. It won't hurt them. Be careful doing this, and that gives you enough clearance to get a socket over on top. So what I used is a 27mm Husky my friend Matt lent me, thankfully, and I put that on my ratchet and I got down and just started loosening. I already took out the first one. I just loosened the second one. I'll take it out for you guys. And that's the injector. There's the tip there. They're really gunked up and dirty. So I'm gonna clean them real good, take them apart, put the new Bosch tips in, and that's really it. I'll make another video. Stay tuned, guys. Take care.